Aster buds.
Hey Aster buds! Welcome back to our series on vegetable categories. In this episode, we're exploring leafy vegetables, the nutrient-rich greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce that form the foundation of countless healthy meals. Spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamin A, vitamin K, folate, iron, calcium, and magnesium. Vitamin A promotes healthy skin and enhances vision. Vitamin K supports bone health and proper blood clotting. Folate promotes cell growth and brain function. Iron essential for red blood cell production and oxygen transport and prevents anemia. Calcium strengthens bones and reduces the risk of fractures. Magnesium helps maintain muscle and nerve function. It's used in soups, salads, and smoothies. Kale. A superfood rich in vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin K, beta-carotene, calcium, and antioxidants. Nutrients found in kale. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health and blood clotting. It promotes strong bones and prevents osteoporosis. Vitamin C boosts immunity and collagen production. Beta-carotene converts to vitamin A for skin and vision health. Calcium supports bone strength and boosts overall immunity. Antioxidants, quercetin and camphorol helps reduce inflammation. Protects cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It supports heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Kale is popular in salads and smoothies. Lettuce. Lettuce contains vitamin A, vitamin K, folate, small amounts of vitamin C and B-complex vitamins, dietary fiber, calcium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, small amounts of protein, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Vitamin A supports healthy skin and vision. Vitamin K aids bone strength and proper blood clotting. Folate enhances brain health and cell repair. Dietary fiber promotes a healthy digestive system. Calcium strengthens the bones. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure. As it's rich in vitamin A and antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, that help maintain healthy vision and protect against macular degeneration. Health benefits of lettuce. Low in calories and high in water, lettuce is perfect for hydration and weight management. It keeps you hydrated, as it has high water content. It also supports heart health by managing cholesterol and blood pressure. Lettuce is a key ingredient in salads and wraps. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. Vitamin A maintains healthy skin and vision. Vitamin C enhances immune function and skin health. Vitamin K strengthens bones and aids in wound healing. Iron boosts hemoglobin levels and prevents anemia. Improves nerve function and heart health by regulating blood pressure due to magnesium. It detoxifies the body with its antioxidant properties. Reduces inflammation as it contains antioxidants like polyphenols. It is often sautéed or used in salads or soups. Fenugreek leaves. Nutrients found in fenugreek leaves are vitamin C, fiber, and iron. Vitamin C boosts immunity. Iron prevents anemia and supports energy levels. Fiber enhances digestion, reduces bloating, and promotes weight management. It controls blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for diabetics. Nutrient-rich and aromatic, often used in Indian curries and parathas. It also promotes lactation in nursing mothers. Collard greens. Collard greens are packed with vitamins A, vitamin K, and calcium. Vitamin A and C boost immunity and improve skin health. Vitamin K aids in blood clotting and bone health. Fiber promotes gut health. Improves digestion and reduces the risk of colon cancer. Calcium supports strong bones and teeth. A nutrient-dense leafy green, collards are often cooked with meats or beans. Mustard greens. Mustard greens are rich in vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, antioxidants. Vitamin A and C enhance immune function and promotes radiant skin. Vitamin K essential for bone health, teeth and clotting. Folate supports brain health and cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol. Antioxidants protect against oxidative stress. Peppery in flavor, mustard greens are often stir-fried or added to soups. Cabbage. Cabbage belongs to the cruciferous family, Brassicaceae, which includes vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. However, it is also categorized as a leafy vegetable because its primary edible portion consists of its leaves. Cabbage contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants. Vitamin C enhances immunity and collagen production. Vitamin K aids bone health. Folate supports DNA synthesis and repair. Sulfur compounds help detoxify the liver and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Cabbage improves digestion and supports a healthy gut microbiome. It is widely used in coleslaw, stir-fries, and soups. Bok choy, also known as Chinese cabbage. Bok choy contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron and calcium. Vitamin A, C, and K enhance skin, bone, and immune health. Calcium strengthens teeth and promotes strong bones and reduces the risk of fractures. Iron supports red blood cell production. Bok choy aids in weight loss due to its low calorie content. It's commonly used in Asian stir-fries and soups. Arugula. A peppery green loaded with vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants, arugula supports bone health and boosts metabolism. Vitamin C enhances immune health. Vitamin K supports blood clotting. Folate supports brain and cell repair and growth. Calcium enhances bone density and prevents osteoporosis. Nitrates improve blood flow and heart health. It boosts athletic performance. Arugula improves cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure. As it's low in calories, great for weight management. Contains compounds that promote liver health by detoxification. Arugula is often used in salads, garnishes, and adds zest to pizzas. Coriander leaves, also known as cilantro. Known for its distinct aroma, coriander leaves are high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Vitamin A and C boost immunity and improves skin texture and complexion. Iron prevents anemia. Antioxidants help detoxify the body, aids in digestion, and reduces bloating. Aromatic and high in antioxidants, coriander leaves are widely used in garnishes and chutneys in India. Mint. Mint leaves are high in vitamin A, iron, and antioxidants and aids digestion. Vitamin A enhances vision and skin health. Iron supports red blood cell production. Antioxidants protect against cellular damage. Mint relieves indigestion and bloating. Provides a cooling and refreshing effect and helps in respiratory health. It also soothes headaches and improves focus. Mint is used in drinks, beverages, desserts, and chutneys. Curry leaves. Rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, calcium, and antioxidants, curry leaves are known for their digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits. Vitamin A and vitamin C boost immunity and improve skin health. Iron supports blood health. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth. Curry leaves help manage diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. Improves digestion and reduces nausea. Also strengthens hair and prevents hair fall. These aromatic leaves are a staple in South Indian dishes. Watercress. A nutrient-dense leafy peppery green, watercress supports skin health and improves digestion. It contains vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Vitamin C boosts immunity and skin health. Calcium and magnesium enhances bone density and prevents fractures. Antioxidants reduce inflammation. It supports detoxification and promotes healthy skin. Improves heart health and lowers cholesterol. Watercress adds zest to salads and sandwiches. Iceberg lettuce. A crunchy, low-calorie leafy vegetable is rich in vitamin A and K. Vitamin A improves vision and skin health. Vitamin K supports bone health and clotting. Folate promotes brain and cell function. Iceberg lettuce keeps you hydrated due to its high water content. Supports weight management with its low-calorie content. It also enhances digestion and promotes gut health. Iceberg lettuce is often used in salads and burgers. Romaine lettuce. Rich in fiber and vitamins, romaine lettuce contains vitamin A, vitamin K and folate. Vitamin A supports eye health and immunity. Vitamin K essential for blood clotting and bone strength. Folate aids in cell repair and DNA synthesis. Romaine lettuce is low in calories and high in water content, making it excellent for hydration and weight management. Its vitamins help improve skin health, boost immunity, and strengthen bones. Romaine lettuce is widely used in salads. Malabar spinach. A tropical, climbing leafy green with thick, succulent leaves is high in vitamins, iron and calcium. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system and supports skin health. Iron promotes red blood cell production. Calcium maintains strong bones and teeth. Malabar spinach is a nutritious, leafy green with a slightly tangy flavor. It supports digestion, improves immunity, and provides hydration due to its high water content. It's an excellent option for a healthy diet. It is commonly used in curries and stir-fries, and also in soups and stews. Amaranth leaves. Amaranth leaves are rich in calcium and proteins. A cup of cooked amaranth leaves contains more than 20% of your daily calcium needs. Vitamin C strengthens immunity and skin health. Proteins support muscle repair and overall growth. Magnesium helps maintain heart health and supports nerve function. Fiber promotes digestive health and aids in weight management. Calcium, the calcium and vitamin C in amaranth leaves can help form and strengthen bones. Amaranth leaves are rich in nutrients, helping lower cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. Amaranth leaves are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce overeating. The antioxidants combat inflammation and oxidative stress. Amaranth leaves are a staple in Indian and African cuisines. Purslane. A succulent leafy vegetable high in omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin E and potassium. Vitamin E promotes healthy skin and combats free radicals. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Omega-3 fatty acids supports heart health and brain function. Purslane is a powerhouse of nutrients, especially beneficial for heart health due to its omega-3 content. It aids in reducing inflammation, improving skin health, and managing blood pressure levels. Purslane is often used in salads. Roselle leaves. Roselle leaves are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. Vitamin C improves skin health and immune function. Iron prevents anemia and improves energy. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth. Antioxidants, polyphenols, reduces inflammation and protects cells from damage. Roselle leaves supports healthy digestion and metabolism. Helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. These leaves are used in soups, teas, and sauces. Sorrel. Sorrel is a tangy green high in vitamins and antioxidants. It contains vitamin A, iron, calcium, and oxalic acid. Vitamin A helps maintain healthy vision and skin. Iron prevents anemia and boosts energy. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth. Oxalic acid provides a tangy flavor and supports kidney health. Sorrel promotes healthy digestion and reduces inflammation. It acts as a natural detoxifying agent. Red sorrel leaves. Red sorrel leaves contain vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, potassium, and antioxidants. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system and improves skin. Vitamin A maintains vision and skin health. Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Iron boosts hemoglobin production and helps combat fatigue. Antioxidants protect cells from oxidative stress. Red sorrel leaves improves digestive health, stimulates appetite, and aids digestion. It acts as a natural diuretic to promote kidney function. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe the body, cleanses the liver, and removes toxins. Spinach stalks. Spinach stalks are high in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. Vitamin C boosts immunity and skin health. Vitamin A supports eye health and cell growth. Dietary fiber improves digestion and supports gut health. Iron improves red blood cell production, aids in oxygen transport, and prevents anemia. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth. Oxalates can contribute to kidney stone formation if consumed in large amounts. Spinach stalks has detoxifying properties which help flush toxins from the body. Leafy vegetables are a must-have in any diet, but there's more to discover. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll uncover the fascinating world of cruciferous vegetables. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep watching.